Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now? Connect the external SSD and confirm your Mac type, Apple Silicon or Intel, because the startup flow differs. Open Disk Utility, select View right arrow Show all devices, then erase the SSD as apps with a GUID partition map. Name it clearly. Once done, make sure you have a Time Machine or clone backup. These steps create a clean, bootable volume and prevent partition conflicts, so we won't waste time fixing a wrong format later. Now you'll install macOS onto the formatted SSD. Launch the macOS installer you downloaded, and when prompted, choose the external SSD as the install destination. Proceed through setup, but skip signing in if you want a fresh system. Alternatively, create a bootable installer via Terminal Create Install Media, or clone your current macOS with Carbon Copy Cloner for an exact copy. Once copying finishes, validate System Preferences right arrow Startup Disk to see the new volume listed. This confirms system files are present and bootable. Finish by rebooting into the external SSD. On Intel, hold Option at boot. On Apple Silicon, press and hold the power button until startup options appear, then select the SSD. Once booted, open System Settings right arrow Startup Disk and choose the external drive to make it persistent. If macOS refuses to boot, check Startup Security Utility and allow external boot, or reset NVRAM on Intel machines. If problems persist, reconnect the SSD.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.